Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Monday. It's Monday, January 13th. Hope you guys had a wonderful weekend here. Now we're starting off a new week. We got actually nothing to report on the economic calendar here today. Today's a light day. For the most part, light day in general. We have on the headline news, stock market is up currently, and they're getting a little excited about the U.S.-China trade agreement to be signed later this week. I believe they're trying to aim for Wednesday, but I haven't heard any concrete date as to when that's going to happen. And the Chinese delegation will be coming out to sign. Again, this is just a very initial one. Even China's kind of put out some cautionary that there's still negotiations. That this is uh, this is a work in progress between the two countries. Basically, I think is what they're trying to say, and that we got a long ways to go before anything fully enveloped there. We still don't know exactly the full details of this trade agreement as to if this is going to really be much of an impact or not. But meanwhile, the stock market's been taken off on it on this news, and that's what's kind of driving the markets. So as a result, it's putting a little pressure on the bond market today. We're down about 8 basis points. Now we had a change in the bond. We had what they call bond rollover, where the pricing on the chart here it looks like it's worse than what it is. This shows that we want if you add about another 9 basis points, we would be probably closer up to here to this level here versus where we are currently. And that's only because what they do is bonds are finite, and every about 30 days or so, they go ahead and they repackage these and sell these on Wall Street. And there's no price difference on our mortgage rates, the pricing on our mortgage rates. So you have to kind of almost pretend that this is up another 9 basis points. So there's no bearing on there. But in any case, today we are down about 8 basis points so far, but it's not yet translating to a price for the negative. We're not really. We're about the same pricing that we saw on Friday after close of Friday. But as you can see here, we have a potential crossover on the stochastics, which could and our trend upwards. So we have to kind of keep an eye on that. So if the stock market continues, what happens is the bond money from the bond market and mortgage-backed securities is going to come out into the stock market, add more pressure, and then see rates. So the next stop, most likely, if that fails, we might end up down this direction in this area here. So be a little cautious if you are in a transaction floating stuff like that. So you may want to be a little cautious. The 10-year treasuries, as you can see, we are rising up again. We're currently broke above the 50-day moving average. We're right around the 1.85 range right now. So again, just be a little cautious out there. And this is, of course, adding a little more pressure to where we are right now. All right, so that's pretty much the wrap. If you guys are in California looking to buy a refinance, I'd love to hear from you guys. Best way to reach me is direct message me or email. Email, you'll get the quickest response time. And again, I'd love to talk to you about your loan scenarios. You guys have a great rest of your day. Look forward to see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.